The illustration delineates the evolution of SAP's ERP system from the traditional ECC structure to the modern S/4HANA framework. On the left side, it lists the classic SAP ERP modules such as Sales and Distribution (SD), Financial Accounting (FI), Material Management (MM), Controlling (CO), and others, which are categorized by their specific business functions. On the right side, these modules are consolidated into broader areas within S/4HANA, reflecting a more streamlined and integrated approach. For instance, SD and MM are part of the sales and sourcing and procurement areas in S/4HANA, emphasizing the interconnected nature of these functions. Similarly, FI and CO are integrated into the finance area, signifying a unified financial processing environment. The image communicates the strategic realignment towards a more cohesive and agile business process structure in S/4HANA, supporting enhanced performance, real-time analytics, and scalability benefits of the HANA in-memory database. This transition is not just a technical upgrade but a transformative step for organizations to become more efficient and future-ready. Asset management in the context of SAP refers to the comprehensive oversight of a company's physical assets throughout their lifecycle. This includes strategic planning for asset acquisition, maintenance strategies to ensure their optimal performance and longevity, and continuous monitoring of asset health to prevent unexpected breakdowns. It's essential for organizations to efficiently manage their assets, as this can impact operational costs, resource allocation, and overall productivity. Human resources (HR) in SAP entails the management of various HR-related processes and data, including employee information, payroll, recruitment, performance evaluations, and employee development. The primary goal is to streamline HR operations, ensure compliance with labor regulations, and enhance workforce engagement and productivity. An efficient HR module helps organizations attract, retain, and develop talent effectively. Sourcing and procurement in SAP encompasses the acquisition of goods and services, supplier management, procurement processes, and contract management. Its purpose is to optimize spending, establish strong supplier relationships, and ensure efficient procurement operations. By managing procurement effectively, organizations can control costs, mitigate risks, and enhance the overall supply chain. Sales in SAP involves the management of the entire sales process, covering order and contract management, pricing, billing, and customer support. The objective is to improve sales performance and customer satisfaction by streamlining sales operations, ensuring accurate pricing, and providing excellent customer service. Supply chain in SAP integrates various supply chain functions, including supply chain planning, logistics, and execution. It encompasses activities such as inventory management, warehousing, transportation, and demand planning, all aimed at ensuring the efficient flow of goods from suppliers to customers. Effective supply chain management helps organizations minimize costs, reduce lead times, and enhance overall supply chain performance. The finance module within SAP encompasses a wide range of financial management capabilities, offering tools for accounting, financial reporting, risk management, and compliance. It provides real-time insights into financial data and supports various financial processes, ensuring the organization's financial health and compliance with regulations. The manufacturing module is designed to optimize the entire production process, from planning and scheduling to execution. It includes features like shop floor management, product lifecycle management, and quality control to boost manufacturing efficiency and product quality. R&D engineering in SAP focuses on product development, covering aspects such as design, prototyping, and product lifecycle management. This module fosters innovation and accelerates time to market for new products, enhancing a company's competitiveness. The service module manages after-sales services, including service contracts, warranty management, and customer service. Its goal is to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty by ensuring efficient and effective service delivery. Lastly, SAP offers country region-specific functions to tailor its software to meet the unique legal, linguistic, and business requirements in different countries or regions. This customization ensures global compliance and operational efficiency for organizations operating internationally.